Come on. Yeah. Talking about love. Make me feel it, no. Make me feel it. Break it down. Talking about true love. Talking about true love.
We need love.
Talking about true love. Check the verse. 1991, straight out of Job Corps, having all kinds of fun, and got a pocket full of ends. Don't tell me I ain't the one. G'd up from the feet up, having females run. Y'all don't hear me, a pretty boy with some game. Yeah, that's what they said. Only out for one thing, taking fees to bed. I done let my little looks go straight to my head. Should've chose to settle down with one girl, but instead I was looking at every pretty thing up in the club, thinking who gon' believe my little game and give me love. False love. Up in the telly when I love, I never see your face again in the morning by love. I've been cussed out and dogged out and put out for love. Love had a brother trying to end it with a slug. Have I been blind to the real genuine? Lord, give me sight, and truly then I can find real love. Topic that everybody speak of, having the context twisted up like rug, fine rug, the kind that you can't even tell is twisted till you look at it real close. But if you don't, you miss the same thing. Open your eyes and peep game. People that took out the deed and just using the name. What a shame, our selfish attitudes is to blame. Loving with conditions instead of loving folk the same. No matter what they do, no matter what they say, no matter how they look or kind of games they play. Put in your mind, you gon' love them, ain't got time to be hating on folk. Talking about folk, backstabbing folks, spreading rumors about folk. It's time we stand up and let the people know about you. Love, love.